do one or two prices. I go cash out.
You think say they
Yeah,
white?
okay.
Mumu man.
I'm a taxi.
The blood of Jesus.
Stop it, juju be that.
Blood of Jesus.
Let me know. See
What
that?
is that?
We can do a first one.
Yeah!
Do a second one.
Yeah!
Do a third one. Okay, what? No. Naga by Lamsi. Naga by Lamsi. Any dream me return this thing now. I need to return this thing now.
A few moments later.
I'm I will destroy everything. Small something by this guy now. Let me just cash out like other people now. You're going to see by him. He will hear from you definitely. Look at the homie. I'm a ton of Barama now. Come to let me get there. You know what to do with it. Okay, Tata. If I'm that stop next time, as in, oh, look in the head and this one now, I will cut off your neck. What do you mean? Hello, get it? What's the name of this thing? Toto Gagano. Toto Gaga waiting. If I have to go like Baramsi, I will talk to the gods against you. Talk to him. You talk to the gods against you. You talk. I will. You want to talk out? Okay. Oh, you get locked. Hey! How should I see this man now? I'm coming back. I will burst down everything within the city. I'll cut her the tree. Okay, now Mama these trees. You're hiding. You can hide, but you can't run. I will still come back for you. Hey, Paramisi. I will get you.
She make a name,
Is that not sorry?